That's after the vapor honing system. What we're about to do now is we're gonna clean this as a second step. We're gonna shoot through the oil passageways, make sure the liquid's traveling through the holes, there's no blockages. So we're using now the Econoline Parts Washing system as a second step cleaning process because we have heat, we have pressure, and we have a little bit of aqueous-based chemical. So let's try it out. All right, so we vapor honed it first, and now we've second step use the Econoline Parts Washer. If you guys have questions on how to treat parts, how to clean them afterwards, give us a call, shoot us an email.